Today we are out here in White Rock doing a pre-purchase inspection on this 2016 Ford Escape. It's a 1.6 liter EcoBoost. The client said they were trying to buy this vehicle. They wanted a thorough pre-purchase inspection done, so we have come out here at the client's location, the seller's location in White Rock. We'll be doing a thorough point check, cabin of the vehicle. So we are in the process right now. We have popped the hood. We'll be checking the trunk, the cabin, the seat belts, all the indicators and lights and everything work, the brake pads and the rotors. We'll also be checking if there are any codes which show up, any fault codes or anything as such.